I am rhythm, I am grace, soft reflections on my face. In my dance the world is still, moving only by my will. Feel the warmth within my soul, let my presence make you whole. Every motion draws you near, whispered love you long to hear. In this flow we gently rise, no more fear, no more disguise, just our hearts in perfect tune.